What's so funny, TSM?
I know you heard about Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. The food was that when you were around Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. I know you heard about Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. The food was that when you were around Tay East, Tay East, Tay East.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Tay Eats. If this is your first time, please like, subscribe, and come on back and see your girl. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you, thank you, thank you. You already know I love you. So, I know y'all like, what the hell? Why? Like, why? I know y'all, I'm crazy. I'm crazy, 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 but I do this for y'all. I really do. Because honestly, I would not do this. So today, we are going to put danger all over these chicken legs. And we're going to see. I done it once before. I might put the video up here if I remember. I have some ranch right here, y'all. I have some ranch. I have some cucumbers back in the back because I said, you know what? Hopefully this cool down my mouth, So maybe we can do so I added the ranch and the cucumbers. And the chicken, I'm going to only do 4, y'all, because these chickens are huge. Like, huge. Okay? So I'm only going to do 4. Alrighty? Y'all pray for me. Okay, let's take a shot first. We're going to take a shot, y'all. We're going to take a shot. 24 grand. Y'all pull up to my drinkers, to my sippers, whatever. Y'all pull up. So, cheers to those that wish us well, and those that don't can go to hell. Okay, y'all. Let's get it started. I can't believe it. We're going to see if this is hotter than 2 time. I don't know if I can remember if it's hotter than 2 time, but we going to see, y'all. We is going to see. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. Is that enough, y'all? What y'all think? That's enough? Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lick my hands. No, 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 no. Okay. That's one. That's 2. Her sauce is thick, boy. It ain't nothing like left. Like normally on a 2 time it's real, like it's not thick, it's liquidy. I'm gonna put this one at the bottom because this one is more hot, like temperature wise, y'all, hot. Okay. I almost got a cut on my hand because it's burning. Oh, y'all. If y'all hear like outside, that's because I got my patio open. Okay. I got my patio open. And okay, y'all, let's get started. Ready? What do y'all think? They covered up. They covered up enough. I don't care what y'all. They covered up enough. Okay. Ready, set, go. I don't know why anybody would like danger. Y'all know I'm gonna pick at my chicken. Cause I don't like bands. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that's the best I can do, y'all. If we didn't have all that hot sauce, I would have ate the bone down. I like the flavor of beloved hot sauce versus two-time. Sorry, y'all. My camera turned off. I can't do it, y'all. My phone acting up, but let me see. I probably can't finish this. My stomach hurt though. I couldn't do it, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.